What's up, YouTube fam? My name is Bailey, and that is the Marlo over there. Today's video, he just got himself a new RC, getting into this electric motor RC hobby. He's got a GP Toys S921 Venom Hunter, and yeah, we've just been trying it out here in the hood, the neighborhood. So yeah, enjoy clips over a couple of days of us just messing around with this thing, doing some jumps and whatnot. Anyway, hope you like this video. Follow me on Instagram, THE_BAYLY. And yeah. 200. Rain! So how do you like your new car?
Sorry. On a full charge of the battery. See the fuller potential.
Is that a UFO? I mean, I've identified it as helicopter, but are you okay? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our couple of days of playing around with the GP Toys S921. This isn't a product review or anything. This is just me and the Marlo playing around with an RC car in between work days. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.